Hello everyone, welcome back to the Langit channel. Today, we'll be lifting our gaze to the skies of Bantul, specifically, Kebon Agung Field, Imogiri. This spot has been going viral lately. Why? Because every afternoon, the sky here is filled with dozens, even hundreds of kites. Kites, a simple toy that can be quite a spectacle when seen from above. And today, we'll see it all from a drone perspective, directly from the field that's currently the focus of netizens across Yogyakarta. This place was once known as a soccer field and sports ground for local residents. But now, every afternoon, it transforms into a mini festival sky. From children to adults, from those carrying small kites to those carrying dragon kites dozens of meters long, everyone gathers here. If you come here in the afternoon, especially when the wind is good, you'll see a sky full of color. Kites made from plastic and paper, even custom-made ones shaped like dragons, eagles, and even anime characters, all flown together. It's like an impromptu kite exhibition, but it's free to watch and everyone comes from everywhere. Let's take a look from above. Our drone camera is flying slowly over the field. Look at that. Dozens of kites floating in the air. They are not just being flown haphazardly, but also being controlled with technique. Some are competing, some are just flying high, and some are just circling the sky, trying out tricks. The green backdrop of the field combined with the blue sky, plus the agile movements of the kites, creates a truly aesthetic atmosphere. If you're a fan of slow motion or cinematography, this is heaven. This trend started to gain traction thanks to several TikTok and Reels videos that went viral over the past week. Many people captured the atmosphere, added a mellow or nostalgic soundtrack, and then, boom, the audience reached hundreds of thousands. Even now, Kebon Agung Field is becoming a popular destination for kite enthusiasts from outside Bantul. Many also come just to watch or take aesthetic photos for content. Uniquely, the vibe here is calm. There's no commotion, no fighting over space. Everyone greets each other, helps each other, and compliments each other's kites. It's like a place for communal healing, but on a budget. Think of kites as something for elementary school kids. But most of the people playing are adults. Many men are very serious about their kites. Some have been designing them since morning, cutting bamboo, and preparing large spools of string. Some even bring combat equipment, from automatic reels to drones used to monitor wind direction. Wow, this is no joke. So, what do you think? Isn't this drone view of Kebon Agung Field, Imogiri Bantul, really cool? It's proof that simple things can become extraordinary when seen from a different angle, from the air, for example. For those of you who live in Jogja or Bantul, try visiting here in the afternoon. Bring your own kite, or just enjoy the view from below. But for those of you who can't make it, I hope this video can help you with your longing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Volume Alanja channel so you don't miss out on other exciting footage from the Indonesian skies. See you in the next drone view content.